Tired of wrestling with paper agreements? Let's ditch the paperwork and conquer Docusign in just a minute and a half. First things first, check your email for an invitation to review and sign a document via Docusign. Then click on the Review Document button. This will take you directly to the agreement. Once the document loads, look for the bright yellow Start tag. This handy tool guides you through all the required fields. Click it to begin. You'll be automatically directed to the first field needing your attention. These fields are usually highlighted. Click inside a text field and type in the necessary information, such as your name, address, or any other requested details. Some fields may require you to select an option from a drop-down menu or check a box. Simply click the desired option or the empty checkbox. When you reach the signature field, click on it. Docusign will usually prompt you to adopt a signature. If this is your first time using the platform, you can choose from pre-formatted styles, draw your own signature with a mouse or trackpad, or even upload an image of your signature. Once you're happy with your signature, click the Adopt and Sign button to apply it to the document. After completing all the required fields, you'll find a Finish button, usually located at the top or bottom of the document. Click it. Docusign might ask you to agree to electronic record and signature disclosure. If so, check the box and click Continue. Congratulations, you've successfully filled out and signed your agreement. You'll receive a copy in your email for your records.